I'm going to make a specialized welding hat for my husband. He asked for it to have an extra wide and extra long bill. He would like the bill to go all the way down to cover the back of his neck and around each side so that it covers his ears. He wants it to do this for sun protection while he's welding. I will cut out 10 total pieces for the hat, 4 of the inside fabric, 4 of the outside fabric for the top, and 1 for the bottom of the bill, and a second fabric for the top of the bill. I will stitch along the curved edge of the bill and then use the scissors to make little snips into the stitching but not through it. That will allow the bill to flip nice and cleanly and iron flat. Then I will stitch a basting line along the straight edge of the bill. After flipping and ironing and doing the basting stitch along the straight edge, I will then make several run-throughs with the sewing machine to sort of quilt the bill of the hat. This helps it maintain its rigidity a bit. Once the bill is complete, I will begin the assembly of the top of the hat. I sew all of it at a 1/4 inch seam allowance. It is important to iron out the seam allowance inside on every seam of the welding hats. It really helps it fit their heads better and fit more comfortably. Once the seam allowances are ironed out, the inside and outside of the hat with right sides together need to be placed with the bill between them and lined up at each seam allowance, then stitched at the 1/4 inch seam all the way around the outside, leaving a small opening to pull the inside out. Once the hat is flipped right side out, then each of the seams need to be diligently ironed flat. Then I like to carefully align each of the seam allowances and stitch through both layers all the way along the entire seam allowance in all directions and around the outside edge.